Hi everybody and welcome to Girl Talk World. I'm Sarah and today we are at the BBC to go behind the scenes at a photo shoot with The Next Step. So I've got my little backstage pass. Let's go see what's going on.
Hi Girl Talk. I'm Shelby.
And I'm Sage.
And we're here at the BBC visiting for a couple days. So we are doing a photo shoot. And we got all these amazing props.
Oh my gosh,
we got a donut already eaten. Some pie. We got all this style, our glam for the day. And look at the shoes. We're gonna be looking so hip.
Oh my gosh, I'm so pumped. We get to wear all of these.
I'm so excited. And this is our first photo shoot too.
Yeah,
right?
This is my first photo shoot like this ever.
Yeah,
so I'm really
pumped.
pumped.
We're really excited.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Hey, look who we found.
Woo!
It's the boys. Are you guys ready to show your pearly whites?
Yeah.
Let's see them.
We zoom in.
Ready, Sage?
Word.
Let's go.
Look at them! And also, women,
Girls are amazing.
Girls are amazing.
I stole the camera. Stole the camera. And we're taking it on a little trip.
Photo shooting up. Really lit. This is great. It's a good day. You already know what it is. Day 2, Manchester. We're photo shooting up with Girl Talk Mag. It's Isaiah here.
It's Noah here. I think we're signing off because we don't want to get in trouble. Love you guys.
Peace.
Could you please share? Thank you.
Don't fight, guys.
Sage doesn't want to share her squishy with me. Me and Sage don't like each other.
That's not true!
I'm joking. No, we're like a family. All brothers and sisters.
We are. There's
And,
some bickering for sure.
Yeah, but we love each other. Nonetheless.
As long as you share your squishies.
Yeah. Okay, look. We're gonna sniff this at the same time to show everybody that we can share.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. That was a moment. Yeah, this is my first squishy.
I want a squishy.
My sister has like 7
My
of
thoughts?
They smell
I can't stop. I
love
don't know. It smells kind of smells. If the color pink had a scent, it smelled like pink.
I understand that.
You
I
know-
know
you know what I
exactly what
mean?
you mean by saying that too. That's
No, but it's not strawberry or raspberry. It's pink. Didn't sniff it. What do you think? What do you think? It smells like pink.
It smells, I want one.
It smells like pink.
I could just sit here and do this forever. Oh, it smells so good.
Just relieve your stress, and squeeze a squishy.
Right, so that's it. We are all done here. As you can see, everything is packed away. We had such a good time, and I think the Next Step guys did too. I hope you liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Girl Talk World channel. And I'll see you soon. Bye.